Hey there everyone, Valor here. Today I'm going to show you what to do if Valorant won't start. First things first, we need to open the Riot client. Also make sure Secure Boot is enabled, right-click Start, and open Task Manager. Yeah, and here we have Performance, I think. Yeah, and here's Virtualization. So pay attention to Virtualization and Startup Security. If they're not enabled, turn them on in the BIOS. Now let's log into the account. Next, we pick Valorant. Alright, click on your account, then go to Settings and check the file integrity. Next up, we close Riot Games and right-click on it. We need to locate the file and run it as administrator. To do this, click Properties, go to Compatibility, and check the box here. You can check the boxes here and there and click Apply. Do the same thing with Valorant. So next you can try going to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, and find Vanguard there. Here it is. Delete it. After that, try running Valorant again. It will download Vanguard again, and in theory, you should be able to play. This was Valor. Goodbye, everyone.